Hi, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install a game. But first of all, you're going to have to connect to your wallet. Now, if you don't know how to connect to your wallet, there is a link in the comment section below this video which will explain that. So first of all you have to do is pick your favorite game that you want to install. I'm going to be using Citizen Conflict. And as you can see, it's already here, so all I have to do is click on install game. And as you can see, it is now installing. Now, if you want to see the progress of the installation of the game, all you need to do is click onto My Games. And as you can see, Citizen Conflict is right here. It's installing 0%. So all we have to do now is wait. So as you can see, the game is now installed, and if you want to play it, all you need to do is click play now.